The Aircast Air Select Elite walking boot puts comfort, control, and healing in the hands of the patient with the most advanced pneumatic walking brace available. Using the Aircast Elite is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Preparation, application, adjustment, and deflation. To prepare the Air Select Elite, unfasten the straps, remove the front panel, and open the toe cover and foot flaps. Before you apply the boot, slip on the sock included with the Air Select Elite. Sit in a comfortable position to apply the boot. Place your foot in the boot with your heel against the back of the boot. Wrap the foot flaps over your foot and the toe cover around your toes. Next, replace the front panel. Position the panel so that the Aircast logo is over your toes and the foot panel is situated inside the boot. Secure the upper part of the panel outside of the boot. To complete the application, secure the straps from the bottom of the boot to the top. Tighten the straps until the boot is snug yet comfortable. To adjust the Air Select Elite for a proper fit, you'll need to inflate the air cells. Begin on the injured side of your leg by locating the number on that side of the boot. To inflate each air cell, turn the selector on the right side of the boot to the appropriate number. Number 1 inflates the air cell on the right side. Number 2 inflates the air cell on the left side. And number 3 inflates the air cell on the back of the boot. Once you've turned the selector to the appropriate air cell number, press and release the large inflation pump on the top right of the boot. Pump until the air cell feels snug but not overly tight. To inflate the other air cells, rotate the selector to the appropriate number and then press and release the large inflation pump. Once again, pump until the air cell feels snug but not excessively tight. At high altitude, the air cells will expand beyond their optimal level. In this case, you can adjust the pressure by tightening or loosening the straps. If you overinflate the air cells, you'll need to deflate them. To deflate the air cells, turn the selector to the appropriate air cell number. Press and hold the small release button on the top right of the boot until the pressure is comfortable. Keep in mind that higher pressure provides more support when you're walking, while lower pressure is usually more comfortable when you're sitting or reclining. You can also adjust the boot by tightening or loosening the straps. Always deflate the air cells before you remove the boot to ensure a proper fit when you reapply the boot. The Aircast Air Select Elite, the ultimate combination, designed for comfort, engineered for healing.
I'm Jenny.
And I'm Morgan.
And today we're going to be talking about our super affordable short walking boot and why it's one of the best boots on the market today.
This boot can help treat many injuries, such as a sprained or partially fractured toe, foot, or ankle. Plus, it can be used as a post-operative boot. It can also be worn on your right or left foot and is available in many sizes that fit men, women, and kids.
So, in comparison to a lot of other walking boots, which are made out of plastic and metal struts, our walking boot shell is constructed entirely out of a polymer material. Although it looks similar, polymer is a very strong, high-tech form of plastic. Below zero temperatures can cause regular plastic to snap, but polymer will not. It can withstand much warmer and cooler temperatures than regular plastic. Also, if you push metal struts in, they will bend and stay there. But if you push polymer in, it just rebounds and bounces back for optimal support and comfort. Another feature that you might notice when applying this boot is that the Velcro straps are much stronger than most. That is because these are medical grade Velcro straps, which are 10 times stronger than the retail grade Velcro you'll find on braces at Target, Walmart, or your local drugstore. Medical grade Velcro is meant to open and close 900 times, unlike retail grade Velcro, which is only meant to open and close 90 times.
This short walking boot was built with an advanced, lightweight, low profile rocker design, which allows you to step more naturally and smoothly. This boot leaves your toe area open, which is great because it increases the breathability of the boot and prevents any rubbing of your toes against the end of the boot, especially if you have a toe injury. Plus, it has a wide footbed, allowing for bandaging or swelling.